Hello and welcome in. Well, I've been working on the interior quarter trim panels and I've run into a lot more complications with those than I thought. So while we're doing that, I decided that we do a short video on some other parts of the quarter panel that I can do right now. And so let's take a look and see what that is.
In this video, we're going to start out with a heat gun. We're trying to remove some carpet because we're going to have to paint the whole rear quarter panel for this Mustang. It was white. Somebody came back and painted it black. So we want it to be white again. We're using the heat gun because I wanted to loosen up the glue to remove the carpet without having pieces of carpet all over and then having to remove the glue, removing pieces of carpet. So we're going through the painstaking process of a heat gun and glue. As you can probably see in the carpet, there are some holes. When we were using the heat gun, it actually got too hot and burned holes through the carpet. So if you were planning on reusing the carpet, in this case, that would have been a terrible idea because now it's ruined. So if you're going to do this process, be careful not to overheat. Luckily for us, we're going to be putting on new carpet. We have to remove all that glue with a cleaning chemical and a green Scotch-Brite to kind of get rid of some of that glue. Yeah, as you can see there are the holes. It's terrible. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the quarter panel after we've painted it some, and then we're going to do a test fit for the carpet. As you can see, it's really starting to look nice. It's not done yet, obviously, or we would have published that video. Here we're going to put on some adhesive. I think this is a 3M product here. We're going to put on a couple of layers. We want it to be really thick and we want it to tack up. Typically it says you can start using it after about 5-10 minutes, but we put such a thick layer on. We tested it after 10 minutes and it still hadn't got tacky. So we want it to really kind of start to harden up, not fully harden, but get there. And that way it makes it a little easier when we put the carpet on. So as you can see, we're kind of just waiting. We're going to test it. That was the 10-minute mark. And as you can see, it's not really tacky at all. So we gave it a little more time, I think about 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and then it seemed to really be working. As you can see, there is the tackiness that we want. So let's go ahead and put the carpet on. There's a ridge along the quarter panel. You may have seen it, may have noticed it. So that's what we're lining up to. We want to make sure that we're getting full connection with the adhesive, so we're really pressing it down. Then we're going to fold the leather and we're going to glue that on the other side. Kind of finishes off the trim for this piece. Like I said, push it down, make sure you're getting every piece of the surface. You don't want it coming off prematurely later down the road. And there we go.
Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. You haven't done it already? Don't forget to smash the thumbs up if you like the content. And of course, leave comments. I love the interaction.